Voilà ma famille par Olivier. Bonjour mes élèves, c'est Madame Brown, and this is the third of 4 videos on the family vocabulary. So let's begin from the beginning again. Salut, je m'appelle Olivier. J'ai 12 ans. J'ai une grande famille. Hi, my name is Olivier. I am 12 years old and I have a large family. C'est la troisième partie. Les oncles, les tantes, les neveux, les nièces et les cousins. So this is the third part, and we're going to focus on uncles, aunts, nephews, nieces, and cousins. So let's start with the family tree again, l'arbre généalogique. C'est moi, Olivier, mon père, François, ma mère, Claire, mon frère, Marc, ma sœur, Julie. That's my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. Now, in the second video, we were introduced to Pierre, mon grand-père, et Marie, ma grand-mère, mes grands-parents. So these are my grandparents, Pierre, my grandfather, and Marie, my grandmother. Aussi, on a Georges, mon grand-père, et Liliane, ma grand-mère, mes grands-parents. And then my maternal grandparents are George, my grandfather, and Lillian, my grandmother. Now in this video, we have a few more new people. We have Philippe, mon oncle, et Viviane, ma tante. So we have Philip, my uncle, and Vivian, my aunt. Also have Anne et Lise, mes cousines. So Anne and Lise or Lisa are my cousins. Alors, voilà mon oncle ou tonton. Il s'appelle Philippe. Il est le frère de ma mère. Il est le beau-frère de mon père. La femme de mon oncle est ma tante ou tata. Elle s'appelle Viviane. Elle est la belle-sœur de mes parents. Je suis le neveu de Philippe et Viviane. Now let's go through that in English. This is my uncle, or tonton is a name for uncle. His name is Philippe. He is the brother of my mother. He is the brother-in-law of my father, le beau-frère. And the wife of my uncle is my aunt, ou tata is a name for auntie. Her name is Vivian. She is the sister-in-law of my parents. I am the nephew of Philippe and Vivian. Voilà mes cousines. Elles s'appellent Anne et Lise. Elles sont les enfants de mon oncle et ma tante. Elles sont les nièces de mes parents. Elles sont les petites filles de mes grands-parents. Elles sont nées sur le même jour. Elles sont jumelles. Je suis leur cousin. So, starting from the beginning, voilà mes cousines. Now, because they're feminine, cousine gets an E at the end. Otherwise, it's cousin without an E. And because there's more than one, it gets an S. So, cousine with an E and an S. Elles s'appellent Anne. They are named Anne and Lisa. They are the children of my uncle and my aunt. So, les enfants means children. They are the nieces of my parents. So it's spelled like niece in English, but we have accent grave on the E. They are the granddaughters of my grandparents. So notice that petite fille, we add an E because it's feminine, we add an S because it's plural. So petite gets extended a little bit, and fille gets an S at the end. They are born on the same day. They are twins. I am their cousin. So because Olivier is a boy, cousin doesn't have an E at the end. Also, jumelles, it does mean twins, but it conveys that the twins are both female. Otherwise, it's jumeaux. Alors, on continue. So, voilà Philippe, mon oncle, Viviane, ma tante, et mes cousines Anne et Lise. Mon oncle Philippe, il est le fils de Georges et Liliane, le frère de Claire, le mari de Viviane, le père d'Anne et Lise, le beau-frère de François. So my uncle Philippe is all of these things. He is the son, le fils of George and Lillian. He is le frère, the brother of Claire, le mari, the husband of Vivian, le père, the father of Anne and Lisa, et le beau-frère, the brother-in-law of François. Viviane, ma tante, elle est la femme de Philippe, la mère d'Anne et Lise, la belle-fille de Georges et Liliane, la belle-sœur de François et Claire. So my aunt Vivian, she is the wife, la femme of Philip, la mère, the mother of Anne and Lisa, la belle-fille, the daughter-in-law of George and Lillian, et la belle-sœur, the sister-in-law of François and Claire. So she's a sister-in-law to both of them because she's married to Claire's brother. Looking at Anne et Lise, mes cousines. Anne et Lise sont sœurs, elles sont jumelles, elles sont les filles et les enfants de Viviane et Philippe. Elles sont les petites filles de Georges et Liliane, et aussi elles sont les nièces de François et Claire. So my cousins Anne and Lisa are sisters, les sœurs. Elles sont jumelles, they are twins. They are the daughters, les filles, and the children, les enfants of Vivian and Philippe. They are les petites filles, the granddaughters of George and Lillian, et les nièces, the nieces of François and Claire. Georges, mon grand-père, il est le père de Philippe, le beau-père de Viviane et le grand-père d'Anne et Lise. So George, my grandfather, is also the father of Philippe, le père, the father-in-law of Vivian, le beau-père, and the grandfather to Anne and Lisa, le grand-père. Liliane, ma grand-mère, est la mère de Philippe, la belle-mère de Viviane et la grand-mère d'Anne et Lise. So she is the mother of Philippe, the mother-in-law, la belle-mère of Vivian, and the grandmother of Anne and Lisa, la grand-mère. Claire, ma mère, est la sœur de Philippe, la belle-sœur de Viviane et la tante d'Anne et Lise. So my mother, Claire, is the sister of Philippe, la sœur, the sister-in-law of Vivian, la belle-sœur, et la tante and the aunt of Anne and Lisa. Mon père François est le beau-frère de Philippe et Viviane et l'oncle d'Anne et Lise. So my father is the brother-in-law of Philippe and Vivian, le beau-frère, and he is the uncle, l'oncle of Anne and Lisa. Moi, je suis le neveu de Philippe et Viviane. Marc et moi, nous sommes leurs neveux. Julie est la nièce de Philippe et Viviane. Marc, Julie et moi, nous sommes les cousins d'Anne et Lise. So, a lot going on here as well. I am the nephew, le neveu of Philippe and Vivian. Marc et moi, my brother and I, we are the nephews. We are their nephews. Leur means their. Neveu is a plural form of nephew, right? If it's just singular, it'd be neveu without the X. But because there's two of us, it's plural, so there's an X on neveu. Julie is the niece of Philippe and Vivian, so la nièce. Marc, Julie, and me, we are the cousins of Anne and Lise. And because we're a mixed gendered group, it's cousin with just an S at the end. Alors, répondez aux questions. Answer the questions. Qui est le frère de Claire? Who is the brother of Claire? Philippe est le frère de Claire. Il est son frère. Philip is the brother of Claire. He is her brother. Qui est l'oncle de Lise? Who is the uncle of Lisa? François est l'oncle de Lise. Il est son oncle. François is the uncle of Lisa. He is her uncle. Qui est la tante d'Anne? Who is the aunt of Anne? Claire est la tante d'Anne. Elle est sa tante. Claire is the aunt of Anne. She is her aunt. Now notice that because Anne begins with a vowel, de becomes d apostrophe or d apostrophe, d apostrophe. Qui est la nièce de Claire? Who is the niece of Claire? Anne et Lise sont les nièces de Claire. Elles sont ses nièces. Anne and Lisa are the nieces of Claire. They are her nieces. Qui est le neveu de Viviane? Who is the nephew of Vivian? Marc et moi, nous sommes les neveux de Viviane. Nous sommes ses neveux. Mark and me, we are the nephews of Vivian. We are her nephews. Qui est le cousin de Lise? Who is the cousin of Lisa? Marc, Julie et moi, nous sommes les cousins de Lise. Nous sommes ses cousins. We are her, Mark, Julie, and me. We are the cousins of Lisa. We are her cousins. Now, it could be possible from this question, it could just be a reference to the boys, Marc et Olivier. But cousin with an S could convey a mixed gendered group. But because the question just asks le cousin, it would convey a masculine cousin. And so you probably wouldn't include Julie in the group. Qui est la belle-sœur de François? Who is the sister-in-law of François? Viviane est la belle-sœur de François. Elle est sa belle-sœur. Vivian is the sister-in-law of François. She is his sister-in-law. Qui est le beau-frère de Philippe? Who is the brother-in-law of Philippe? François est le beau-frère de Philippe. Il est son beau-frère. François is the brother-in-law of Philippe. He is his brother-in-law. Qui est le petit enfant de Georges? Who is the grandchild of George? Anne, Lise, Marc, Julie et moi, nous sommes les petits-enfants de Georges et Liliane. Nous sommes leurs petits-enfants. So Anne, Lisa, Mark, Julie, and me, we are the grandchildren of George and Lillian. We are their grandchildren. So notice leur means their, but because it's referring to something that's plural, we add an S to leur. Et c'est fini. That is the end of the third video of the family vocabulary. In the next and final video, we'll look at blended families. Alors, au revoir, à la prochaine.